Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an email template with AWeber. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log in to your account. First, click on Automation and then go to the Campaigns section. Here, you can either create a new campaign or edit an existing one. For this tutorial, we'll create a new one. So click on Create Campaign. Next, you'll have the option to either start from a blank campaign or choose a template. For this tutorial, we'll choose a template. After selecting your template, click the pencil icon next to your campaign to start editing. In the campaign editor, tap on Send Message and edit the design by clicking the URL in the side panel. Make the changes according to your needs. Once you're done, click the settings icon and choose Save as Template. Give your template a name and hit Save as Template, and you're done. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $80,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.